Welcome to Meditation Eye, your ultimate guide to a healthier mind and a more peaceful life. Are you seeking tranquility, balance, and inner peace? You've come to the right place. At Meditation Eye, we believe in the transformative power of meditation and mindfulness, and we're here to guide you on your journey towards mental wellness. Our channel is dedicated to sharing techniques, insights, and practices that can help you cultivate a deeper sense of calm and clarity. We offer a wide range of content, from beginner's guides to advanced meditation practices, visualization techniques, and much more. We delve into the science behind meditation, exploring how it benefits your mental and physical health. We share stories of transformation and triumph, showing how meditation can bring about profound changes in people's lives. But we're not just about theory. We're about practical application. We provide tips and tricks to enhance your practice and show you how to incorporate meditation into your daily life. And for those seeking a deeper connection, we explore the mystical aspects of meditation, opening your spiritual eyes to new possibilities. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced meditator, there's something here for you. So, are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace? Subscribe to Meditation Eye today and join our community. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Welcome to a world of calm. Welcome to Meditation Eye.